In finding simple interest, the formula that we're going to use is I is equals to P R T. I stands for the interest. P stands for the principal amount. And R stands for the rate of interest. And T stands for the time. Now, let's have an example. Let's have an example. A Bangko Sentral of the Philippines pays simple interest at the rate of 8% per year for certain deposit. If a customer deposits 10,000, which is the principal amount, and make no withdrawals for 3 years, time is 3 years. The question is, what is the interest earned in that period of time? By the use of our formula, I is equals to PRT, let's substitute the given value. I is equals to 10,000 multiply to the rate of interest, which is 8%, or in the decimal form is 0.08. Multiply to the time 3 years. 10,000 times 0.08 times 3 is 2,400 pesos. Now, our interest is 2,400 pesos. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless!